Today, we are going to uncover the incredible benefits of fiber-rich foods. Why they should be a part of your daily diet. Fiber is an essential nutrient that many people overlook, but it has a profound impact on our overall health. Fiber, found in plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, is a nutrient that your body can't digest. Instead, it passes through your digestive system, aiding in various bodily functions. But don't let that fool you. It plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy. Fiber is like the unsung hero of nutrition, quietly working behind the scenes to keep our bodies in top shape. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps lower cholesterol and control blood sugar levels. This type of fiber is found in foods like oats, apples, and beans. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements. You can find insoluble fiber in whole grains, nuts, and many vegetables. So what makes fiber so essential? Let's dive into the key benefits. First, fiber is like a broom for your digestive system. It helps food move smoothly, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, as it affects everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. Eating fiber-rich foods can lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. This is particularly important in today's world, where heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, making it easier to manage your weight and avoid overeating. This can be a game changer for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or lose a few pounds. For those managing diabetes or at risk, fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes. This can make a significant difference in blood sugar control and overall health. Adding fiber to your diet is simple. Start with small swaps. Choose whole grain bread over white, snack on fruits instead of processed foods, and include a variety of vegetables in every meal. These small changes can add up to make a big difference in your overall fiber intake. Smoothies are another great way to pack in fiber. Think berries, spinach, and chia seeds. They're not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. How much fiber do you need? Women should aim for about 25 grams a day, while men need 38 grams. These amounts can be easily achieved with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. But remember, it's always best to increase your fiber intake gradually and drink plenty of water to avoid digestive discomfort. This will help your body adjust and make the transition smoother. By adding fiber-rich foods to your meals, you're not just improving your digestion, you're supporting your heart, managing your weight, and boosting overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Riva Tales for more health tips.